What makes our primer different? Well, it locks in your skincare as it grips your foundation for all-day wear. The Re-Evolve Radiance Locking Primer is a refreshing gel formula with clean living ingredients such as vegetable squalane to balance oil production, eggplant fruit extract to support the skin's barrier, and titanol to firm tone and smooth the skin. Not only that, it's silicone-free and refillable. I'm here with Rani, and she is our minimalist. Rani works in an office, her skin is often dry, so she likes to avoid wearing foundation during the week. She's all about her skincare, and I'm going to show you how I like to apply the Re-Evolve Radiance Locking Primer to lock in that beautiful skincare, starting with the beauty oil. So after your beauty oil, we apply the primer. I just pump a little bit onto the back of my hand and then just massage it into the face, focusing on the T-zone. Keeping it natural with a little bit of Tinted Daily Lip Balm in Penny Lane and the eye polish in Magnetic. And that is the Re-Evolve Radiance Locking Primer to lock in your skincare. I'm here with Amiok, and Amiok loves to wear her own cover-ups. She's more of a natural RMS makeup wearer. This primer is going to be perfect for her because it's going to help to grip that product. And the other thing that's important to Amiok is the sustainability of a product. Amiok's skin is prepped with her beauty oil already, and I'm going to be going in now with the primer. I'm now going to apply Amiok's shade of Uncover Up in shade 111, and then I'll go in with the Nightfall Wild with Desire lipstick on her cheeks and lips. And that is the Re-Evolve Radiance Locking Primer with Uncover Up.